My car accident, I was driving my son to school and I was driving westbound on a highway and somebody pulled out of a stop sign right into our path. Tried to swerve to avoid hitting her and I hit her back driver's side, like the quarter panel. The injuries I sustained in the car accident were herniated discs in my neck, thoracic, my lumbar, and issues with my hip. Upon my first meeting with Brad Schultz, he made me realize what a complete mess and almost catastrophic direction I was headed. As I was saying, I was working with the firm for 3 years. My accident, like I said, October 2011, December 2014 is when I walked into Demas Law offices. It's just amazing the difference in the short period of time that I've worked with Demas Law Group compared to the 3 years that I spent wasting my time literally with the other firm. Is restored a sense of hope in my life that I didn't have. So I asked to do this testimonial because I believe that there are more people out there that are not being represented the way that they should be. And finally, I have somebody that's leading and just taking charge with this. And I feel like it was a godsend, not to get too preachy, but I cannot put into words how grateful I am to have somebody that truly is looking out for my best interest. Don't settle for the first person that comes along. Make sure that you do your research. Make sure that if you have any doubt about who's representing you, you don't have to stick with them. You don't have to settle for feeling like you're not being taken care of. You want to go with the best person that you can, the best firm that you can, and the people that are going to fight the most for you. And that's my experience with Demas. So yes, in terms of finding the right person, just make sure you do your homework and absolutely do not settle.